Welcome to Everyday Cooking. If you do have half a cup of wheat flour, we can do a super crispy snack within 10 minutes. So in this video, we are going to see a quick snack recipe, wheat crisp. For the wheat crisp, we need half cup of wheat flour. To this add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, required amount of salt, half a teaspoon of chili powder and the required amount of water. Add water little by little and make a smooth dough out of this. If you feel your dough to be sticky, you can even add a teaspoon of oil to this. So the dough is ready. Spread some flour on the surface. Now take a portion of the dough and start rolling this. To avoid the dough sticking to the surface, you can always add some flour. Roll this as thin as possible. Now let us cut them into small pieces. Take the pieces out and keep it ready for frying. Fry them in hot oil and in medium flame. We are going to keep this on the flame until it is golden brown. This is ready, we can take it out now. Our wheat crisps are ready. If you want, you can add some chaat masala into this. Hope you like the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe and don't forget to subscribe our channel.